Hey friends! Have you ever wondered what it's like to be a penguin? No, really. Imagine waddling around in a tuxedo, sliding on your belly through the snow, and swimming super fast like a rocket in the ocean. Penguins aren't just cute and funny, they've got a lot to teach us about life. So let's dive into the amazing world of penguins and find out what lessons we can learn from these awesome animals. Lesson number 1. Teamwork makes the dream work. Penguins live in huge groups called colonies, and they stick together to stay warm and safe. When the Antarctic wind gets super chilly, penguins huddle up, switching places so everyone gets a turn in the warm middle. That's like when you and your friends share snacks or take turns playing your favorite game. It works better when everyone helps each other out. Lesson 2. Be yourself, even if you waddle. Penguins don't run like cheetahs or fly like eagles. They waddle. And guess what? That's totally okay. It helps them keep their balance on slippery ice. So if you feel a little different, remember, being unique is what makes you special. Just like penguins, do your own thing and be proud. Lesson 3. Never give up. Life in Antarctica is tough. Penguins have to dodge hungry seals, brave freezing temperatures, and sometimes walk miles across the ice just to find food or take care of their babies. But they never give up. If you're learning something tricky or facing a challenge, keep going, just like a determined penguin. Lesson 4. Take care of your family. Did you know penguin moms and dads take turns keeping their eggs warm and finding food for their chicks? They work together as a team because family means everything to them. So next time you help your little brother or sister or set the table for dinner, you're being just like a penguin, looking out for your family. And here's a bonus lesson. Have fun! Penguins love to slide down snowy hills on their bellies, and yes, it's just as fun as it sounds. So remember to take breaks, laugh, and enjoy yourself along the way. Alright, let's waddle away with these lessons, work together, celebrate your uniqueness, keep trying, care for your family, and always make time for fun. If penguins can do it, so can you. Thanks for watching. If you liked learning about penguins, give this video a flipper high five and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome animal adventures. See you next time!